Welcome back, everyone! If you love celebrating the seasons in style, today's video is for you. We're diving into luxurious Halloween and Christmas decor ideas that will transform your home into a stunning holiday haven. Get ready to turn heads and set the mood for unforgettable celebrations. Halloween can be chic. Start with a sophisticated color palette like black, gold, and deep burgundy. Replace traditional spooky decorations with luxurious alternatives like velvet pumpkins, crystal skulls, and candles in metallic holders. Create a hauntingly beautiful tablescape with layered textures. Think dark lace runners, antique silverware, and glassware with a smoky finish. Add candelabras with flickering LED candles for that dramatic flair. As the season shifts, it's time to bring in the warmth and sparkle of Christmas. Focus on a color scheme like gold and white, or silver and emerald green, to keep things elegant and cohesive. Highlight your decor with touches of crystal and mirrored surfaces. A luxurious Christmas tree is all about layering. Start with warm fairy lights, then add velvet ribbon, oversized ornaments, and glittering accents. For the final touch, choose a tree topper that exudes elegance, like a starburst or a crystal angel. Don't forget your outdoor space. For Halloween, line your pathway with glowing lanterns or oversized illuminated pumpkins. Transition to Christmas with light-draped trees and a statement wreath on your door, featuring metallic accents and fresh greenery. Why not blend the two holidays for a seamless seasonal look? Incorporate gold-dipped pumpkins and pine cones, or hang ornaments in Halloween colors on a small Christmas tree for a creative touch. Luxury is in the details. Add monogrammed stockings, custom nameplates for dinner guests, or personalized baubles to make your decor truly special. Handmade, high-quality elements always stand out. Finally, don't forget the magic of lighting. Combine soft candlelight with LED strands for a cozy yet glamorous ambiance. Use dimmers and timers to keep everything glowing effortlessly throughout the evening. And that's how you can create stunning, luxurious decor for both Halloween and Christmas. Which idea are you excited to try this year? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.